Here's Kellum from Julesburg, Colorado, who's a pre-vet major and member of the Livestock Judging Team. NJC is a premier agriculture school in the region with a wide variety of majors from ag business and education to livestock and soil sciences. In addition, the college competes in rodeo, ranch horse versatility, and livestock judging. Tell us more, Kellum.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, guys. Ever since I was a kid, I always knew I wanted to be an expert in the day-to-day operations of production agriculture and the livestock industry. But when it came to choosing a college, I needed to find one that would allow me to fulfill my passion for learning more about livestock at an affordable price, and that's exactly what NJC's offered. My favorite thing about NJC is being a part of the Livestock Judging Team. There's no better feeling than showing up the first day of class with a team of people as excited and passionate as I am about livestock, and we soon became family. Since then, we've traveled countless miles across the United States, looking at some of the best livestock in the world. But I think what truly set NJC apart from other judging teams was the feeling that they're not just trying to build good judgers, but create people that would lead and live with integrity. And I see a similar commitment in our competitive ranch horse and rodeo teams. Another thing I love about NJC is that it's allowed me to pursue broader interests like ministry and music through both on-campus Christian groups and instrumental lessons for non-majors. As a pre-vet major, confidence in the quality of my education and the knowledge I gain is critical. The small class size and eagerness of the professors and advisors to share their academic and practical knowledge has given me that assurance. NJC is helping set a strong foundation for me to transfer to a four-year university to continue my veterinary studies, while giving me the opportunities to become a more well-rounded person. I'll see you guys in the show ring. Over to you, Alex.
Very impressive, Kellum. Agriculture and ranching are consistently growing in complexity, and these students are preparing to excel in these fields through a great education. Additionally, the opportunity to compete in collegiate ag sports enhances the student experience and the entire ag program. Thanks, Kellum.